process. And then, I said, bakit hindi si China? Hindi si China and si AC. But then I said, can you ask them first if it's going to be okay with them to be part of Let's Drink to That. And then I told them pa, sabihin ninyo na maganda yung purpose ng channel para umuo sila, para, alam mo yon, parang they're going to be part of something big, pag ganun pa. But yes, and I'm just thankful to AC and China for saying yes. And Vicky, what you said was so true na life shouldn't be about us lang. Because ako talaga, firm believer ako that no man is an island. Parang we were like born to be in a social relationship with each other and to make sure that no one gets left behind. And yun din yung maganda sa channel na to, yung pagiging inclusive din niya. Thank you.
Mas ganda na lang kay China and AC. I understand that it wasn't easy yes for you to be part of the show, pero how do you feel na you're part of a program or a program with Jody?
Uy, sobrang nakakakilig ate. Siyempre, hindi kasi yun nga, parang of course, hindi na magpapaka-fan ako ate. Sobrang one of my favorite actresses, di ba? Parang sobrang
Gayahin mo nga ulit yung linya ni Jody.
Ganun na. Di ba? Parang 2 years ago na yun, 3 years ago na. Tapos parang fast forward to, di ba, 2025, makakatrabaho si Ate Jody. Parang ano, yun again, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, parang ang hirap humindi. Na parang, although yun nga, paano ba to? Paano ba siya magiging positive yung show? Eh, ang dami ng negative sa mundo ngayon. It's so easy na tumingin dun sa negative, gumawa ng masama, isipin.
Tatanong si Alex Brosas.
Hello, I have a question for China first and then Julie. How long, for China, how long
Hindi ko po alam kung gano'ng kahaba.
have you, are you friends with Jolie? How long?
Since nung Love You 2022. Ganito ba? Yeah, kasi naging close kami dun sa Love You with an Accent na movie with Coco kasi magkasama kami sa house. Like for almost more than a month, no? Tapos lagi kami magkasama and then na-feel ko talaga na super duper warm niyang kasama. Hindi niya ipaparamdam talaga sa'yo na parang, oh, eto ako, hello, Jody ako, big star. Walang ganun eh. Hindi ganun eh. Parang syempre ako po, ang tagal ko nang hindi umarte, ang tagal kong nawala. So nung nakita ko siya, parang hindi ko alam kung ano kikilos ko, natatakot ako kasi baka mamaya, di ba? Yung ganung feeling. Pero nung nag-start na kami, sabi ko, oh my God, siya pa nga gumagawa ko nun. Lagi naglalagay ng lapel ko, nag-aayos ng salawal ko kapag hindi maayos. So, yung short, yung basta lagi mo ko inaayos, yung ganung peg ko. So, sobrang love na love ko talaga si Joe.
So that was a long time ago, and then you worked sa Lavender Fields.
Opo.
Having worked with Jolie sa Lavender Fields, what were your startling discoveries from then to now?
Paano po yung startling ko?
I don't repeat my questions. I'm not in the habit.
Oh my God! Ang hirap naman ng question. Hindi, pero ako, sa totoo lang po nung nakasama ko si Joel sa Lavender, which is I'm expecting na makakasama ko siya. But for me, hindi ako nahirapang makatrabaho si Jody sa Lavender Field. And I believe lahat din naman ng mga co-actors namin is ganun din po yung masasabi. Is pag nakasama mo si Jody sa trabaho, is yung parang happy lang, happy set lang. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung parang ang layo mo sa kanya. Tsaka tinuturuan ka niya. Tsaka like when meron tayong eksena na heavy drama, syempre parang komedyante po ako eh. Parang, paano ko aarte dito kay Jody? Parang nakakatawa ko, baka matawa siya sa akin. Pero hindi napakagaling niyang umarte kasi kahit nagbibiruan kami, nagtatawanan, pag-shoot niya nung acting niya, umiiyak na po talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. Ganun po talaga kagaling si Jody Santa Maria. Sana mahawaan mo ko ng galing mo sa pag-arte. Aray ko, yung baba ko naman
To Jody, there are YouTube channels which feature insanely funny episodes. There are mundane episodes. There are not so funny episodes. How will you veer away from these episodes which ang purpose is to entertain, to just entertain at whatever cost?
What I would say about the JSM channel is that the JSM channel does not intend to be funny, but it intends to be fun. And our intention is really to, like what I said a while back, is to be able to entertain our viewers with our stories that we feature on the show. But that doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be like slapstick to do that. Because you can entertain while at the same time spreading positivity and being, a source of joy to them na hindi niyo po kailangan magpatawa. So, entertainment, I believe, comes in different forms. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Alex. I'm still here on this table, Jody. Kasi, medyo masarap ang chismisan dito sa table na to, no? Si Marinel Cruz, meron siyang tinanong sa akin, what topics daw would you rather not talk about? May mga iiwasan ba kayo dito? Kasi nga, your intention is to inspire, to have fun. So ano yung mga medyo iiwasan mo? Kasi it's not part of the brand.
Actually, looking back now, because we've already completed our first season, for Live Light, I think yung mga topics na discuss namin doon are like some of the topics na sabihin natin hindi ganun ka-popular. Or maybe topics na could actually parang create like points for discussion. Kasi syempre, I'm not saying na magiging divisive siya, but then alam mo yung magkakaroon kasi tayo ng iba't ibang mga perspective or pananaw doon sa mga topics na i-discuss doon. If, for example, there's a topic about boundaries. So, syempre, kinuwento ko na ba ngayon? Or,
spoilers.
Walang spoiler. So, yeah. So, like, for example, boundaries with, family and friends and ganito. So, isa yun sa mga topics or like, how to begin again, mga ganyan mga topics yung pag-uusapan natin. For now, parang wala pa naman kaming talagang napag-uusapan na itong topic na to, iwasan